So today we change the background. So as you read in the title, this video title is best WhatsApp tricks for the iPhone users. So let's start. Number 1, type in bold. Number 2, type in italic. Number 3, type in monoscape. Now, how many times this happened with you that you started a video where title is best WhatsApp tricks for the iPhone user or Android user, and you have find out that these are some just WhatsApp features and you already know about it. So in this video I'm going to tell you some best iPhone tricks, best WhatsApp tricks for the iPhone user that will change your life. I'm just kidding that knowing just WhatsApp tricks is not going to change your life. Let's start. So first trick is reading someone else's message without letting them know. Now I'm not talking about that read receipt. I mean, if you turn it off, then you will also not able to know about your message that other person is reading your message or not. So I have a cool trick for you that can you apply for a specific contact. So let's say that here is a message that I mean you can read. This is a single line message, but I will show you a preview. So if I hold that chat, I mean you can see a preview here. You can read all the message and that person will not able to find that either you have read their message or not. And you can also do it by holding that notification. I mean whenever you receive a message on WhatsApp, you will also receive a notification. So if you hold that notification, you will that notification will elaborate and you can read full message here. And second trick is it is related to first trick of the read receipt. So how will you able to know that other person is reading your message or not? So this is nothing. So I mean, so this is a double trick. I don't know if you can see color or so this is a double trick. So what you can do is hold that chat, okay, and then send them. So I'm just letting focus on it. Is still in white, but if that person I send an audio recording and he listened to that audio recording, so as you can see that color is blue. So using this trick you can find out that if other person is reading your message or not. So I've also tried to use some photos and videos, but this trick work only for the audios. Okay, so you can use it if you want to know that your girlfriend or boyfriend is reading your message or not. So he's asking, I don't know what he read on the WhatsApp. So if you read a lot of tech news, then you will know that recently WhatsApp allowed all the users to turn on the dark mode. So it's super easy. What you have to do, you have to turn dark mode on your phone setting. So only then you can turn dark mode for the WhatsApp. So it is in the normal mode, so it is super easy to turn the dark mode. So you hold that brightness and here is the dark mode. So if I click on it, it will turn on. So now as you can see that my WhatsApp is in the dark mode. So I really like the dark mode. So in my PC everywhere I turn the dark mode on. So you can also do it if you want to view WhatsApp in the dark mode in different font families. Now I'm not talking about that type in bold, type in italic. Chances are high that you already know that how to type in bold, italic and underline. Strike through. You can't type I think underline in the WhatsApp. So I'm taking it to the next level. So this is an app. It is a keyboard app. So there are so many font families available in this keyboard. I mean there are a lot of keyboards apps available in the app store. So I've found this and I think it is good enough. If you have any other app in your mind, then you can use that app. So after installing, open it. So as you can see there are some settings. Basically it is a keyboard app. I told you that you have to turn the keyboard on. So it is super easy process, but I still show you a demo. So you go to setting, then general, then scroll down and click on keyboard. So then again keyboards. So there are 4 keywords available. So this is if I delete it, so then click on that add new keyboard, scroll down. So here is the better fonts, click on it. So that's it. Whenever you now let me open WhatsApp. So if I want to type in something different, so you hold that global icon. So these are the fonts. You go to better fonts. Now this is totally different font family that you can send. And I mean it's not only one, there are so many font families available. Click on that font icon. So these are all the font families. Maybe I think in the it is premium. As you can see, it is, if it is logged, you have to buy their whole subscription. But these free fonts are amazing. I don't think so that you have to go with the premium subscription. So this is about fonts. What if you don't want to install any app in your phone? So there is another app that you can use, and it is not a keyboard app. App name is Tax Designer. So this is app, and in this app, so here it is. So as you can see in the preview, I mean, whatever you type, it will show you a preview in different font families, and using that button you can copy and then send it to the WhatsApp. So it is a long process, but if you don't want to use any keyboard app, then you can use that app. And again, like always I say in my videos, you will get link of both both apps in the description. Number 5 is saving someone's status. So in the Android, there are a lot of apps available in the Play Store that you can use to save WhatsApp status in the camera roll. So in iPhone, I mean, it's not very difficult to save status in the iPhone. There was a status that I can show you. Okay. So let's assume that I want to save this status. So what you can do, click on that volume up button and side button at same time. So it will take a screenshot, then you can hold that screenshot to share on the WhatsApp, and of course you can edit it. So if you click on, you can you want to crop and then share on, so click on that share. If you, wherever you want to share it, you will get idea that how you can use it, but I don't want to, so I click on that delete screenshot. Now this is about photos. What if you want to save a video? To save a video, you have to turn on the video recording on your iPhone. So there is a default feature of video recording. So you go to settings, it is super easy to turn on. Go to control center and then customize control. So I have already turned on the screen recording, but you will not see that screen recording in the controls. So you go to in the customized controls and click on that screen recording. So now I have added it, so you will see that dot icon. So if you click on it, it will take 3 seconds before starting the screen recording. Now it will start screen recording. So play your video, and when your video is completed, now you want to save it, click on that time icon, and whenever the recording is on, your time background color will be changed. So click on it and then stop. So your videos will be saved in the camera roll, and you can edit it and share it. So this is about videos. Now it's not like Android, but still it does the. Number 6 is sending original files on the WhatsApp. We already know that whenever we send a file on the WhatsApp, it compromises with the quality, it compresses the photo or video. So I have a trick for you. Either you want to send a photo or the video. I will show you the demo for the photo, but I will tell you a way for the video. So for the photo, it is a super easy. What you can do, you can create a document, PDF document, and then share that PDF document on the WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp of course also compress that PDF, but it's not like the photos. Your photos will be in a much better quality. So what you can do, let's say assume that I want to share this photo without compromising with the quality. So click on that share icon, and here is the save to files. Choose it, and I always go with the on my iPhone, and select any folder, but you can even create your own folder by clicking on that plus icon. Whenever you after you are selecting your folder, click on save button. Actually I have already saved this photo. After saving this photo, you go to files. So this is the folder where I have saved my photo. As you can see, we are in the downloads folder. So you hold your photo. So here is the button create PDF. Click on it, and it will create a PDF. So this is a PDF. You can directly share by holding it, and here is the share button, and then you can share on the WhatsApp, or you can also share it from the WhatsApp. Zoom, I want to send a PDF to this contact. So you click click on documents, and so here is the PDF document that you can share. For the video, what you can do, you can use any third-party cloud storage. I mean, there are so many options available. You can even use the iCloud, but I prefer Google storage, and it is free. So you upload your videos on their platform, and then you will get a link that you can share. So you share that link on WhatsApp to contacts to whom you want to send a video. So it is the only way to share videos without compromising with the quality. Number 7 is hide chats. So there are so many moments in our life when we have to open our WhatsApp in front of others, but we don't want to show. I mean, even if in this video, so there are certain chats that I don't want to share in the video. I know that you are not interested in my personal life, but still I don't want to show that chat. So what you can do, you can archive that chat. So for archiving that chat, it is super easy. So you have to long swipe from right to left. So, and I mean, if I okay, I mean, there are two ways. First of all, you can long swipe, so it will goes in the archive chat. I will tell you that how can you recover that chat, or you can swipe from right to left and then choose that archive button. Both, I mean, both does the same function. So and here are the archive thing. I mean, you will not see it, so you have to scroll from bottom to top to bottom, so only then you will see archive chat. So if you zoom that you want to get a certain chat back from archive chat, so if I want to get this chat back, so again process is same. You have to scroll, you will get that chat back. Now number 8 is hiding photos and videos from not showing in the camera roll. We all know that whenever we download any photo or video, and first of all it is auto download, it will automatically save in the photos app or camera roll, whatever you call it. But there is a way not to share, not to save these photos automatically in the camera roll. So if you want to say no to all photos, so what you can do, go to settings, go to chats, and here is the save to camera roll. By default it is a turn on, so make sure you turn it off, as I turn it off. And whenever you receive any photo or video on the WhatsApp, it will not save in the camera roll. So assume that I want to save this photo. So what you can do, you click on that share icon, and there is a button is click on save. So only then it will save the photo. Now I assume that not all of you want to do for 4 contacts, but you want to do it for the certain contacts. So let's first trick is if you want to save photos automatically from a specific contact. So if I want to save photos from all the photos from Jussie in the contacts, so open that person profile, and here is the save to camera roll. So default is default, and make sure you turn click on always. So whenever that person send me any new photo or video, it will automatically save in the photos app. Now you know that if you want to save all photos but not from a certain contact or groups, again open that person profile, click on save to camera, and go. Now this time go with the never. So this trick is really helpful for me, because you know that if you are Indian, you will receive a lot of photos, videos on the WhatsApp, and you probably, I mean, these all files are unnecessary and you don't want to save them in the gallery. So I use this trick, and I hope you will find out helpful. Number 9 is sending automatic reply. You can't 100% automatic reply. I mean, you can. I will show you. Okay, so this is an probably you already know about this app, WhatsApp Business. So it is created for the business, but anyone can use it. So after creating your account, I have already created my account. If you want to do go to business settings. So here are some things that you can use. Like first is away message. So it will automatically send. Of course, you can customize your message if you want to do. It will automatically send a message. You can even response okay, to whom you want to send, to everyone, exclude my contacts, everyone except only send to. You can also do it, and I mean, it is an automatic rally. Whenever anyone send you a message, it doesn't matter what is the content of message, it will automatically reply to that contact. Or greetings message, this is a one time message. So whenever somebody message you first time they will send you this message, or this is for the always if you turn it on. And quick reply is really helpful. I mean, you can create your custom shortcut. So as you can see, this is a default shortcut. So if let me show you that how can you use it. So if I go to so it will show you I mean, if you have to type something really long, no need to copy from one message from one chat to another, you can use this thing. And of course, this is not for everybody. It is for who want to do same thing for the WhatsApp over and over again. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and feel free to leave your suggestion, query by the comment section, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.